Ever wondered why some people always seem effortlessly prepared yet never lug around bulky bags? The secret lies in mastering the art of packing light while ensuring nothing essential gets left behind. Start by creating a personalized packing checklist. This simple step prevents last-minute panic and forgotten items. Next, focus on versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Opt for neutral colors and layers instead of packing separate outfits for each day. Rolling clothes instead of folding them saves space and reduces wrinkles, making your items look fresh. Organize your belongings with packing cubes or zippered bags, grouping categories like clothing, toiletries, and electronics for quick access. Downsize toiletries by transferring products into small containers. Full-sized bottles are rarely necessary and add bulk. Limit shoes to one comfortable pair and one for special occasions to save room. Finally, leave a little extra space for souvenirs or unexpected finds. Packing light isn't just about saving space, it's about freeing your mind, reducing stress, and making daily routines smoother and more enjoyable.